As companies rapidly transition from "we are separate and must compete" strategies to "we are connected and must cooperate" strategies, to emerging "we are one and choose to co-create" strategies, strategic leadership becomes more and more critical. Applied innovation is a toolkit that enables us to lead strategically. In the 21st century, uncertainty is normative. Context is everything. Complexity is multifaceted. It is personal, contextual, interpersonal. The market demands that we be strategic in delivering value to customers. We must develop robust competencies to engage in global business ecosystems. We can learn about innovation, but that doesn't make us innovative. We can learn about global competition, but that doesn't make us competitive. We can learn about business ecosystems, but that doesn't enable us to handle complexity. We can learn about leadership, but that doesn't make us leaders. We can do different things, but that doesn't mean we are doing things differently. Let's make some distinctions here. Process leadership versus strategic leadership. Process leadership is about designing, developing, managing efficient processes that reduce costs and support customer satisfaction. This is what we do to increase margins and profits when running our business. Strategic leadership is about designing and developing strategies that deliver value in domestic and global markets and differentiate us from our competitors. This is why we do what we do to compete successfully. Let's also make a distinction between agile innovation and applied innovation. Agile innovation is process planning used to master innovation in the development of new products. It comes out of Silicon Valley. Design the right business processes that enable you to out-innovate your competition, combining quality and speed. Reduce inherent risks in innovation while making the right investment decisions in new ideas. Generate ideas that are better than everyone else's by effectively engaging a larger group of people as effective co-ideators, which often involves the entire organization as well as its broader ecosystem. These are ideas that come from a book called Agile Innovation, written by colleagues of mine, Moses Ma and Wu. Applied innovation, on the other hand, begins with agile innovation step number 3, generating ideas with co-ideators. It is a way of thinking that involves the use of such tools as bias analysis, divergent exploration, convergent coherence, fringe mapping, and scenario planning to imagine, innovate, and build opportunities, not just products, in globally competitive markets. Applied innovation is about doing things differently. At heart, applied innovation is strategic, not process, not product, but new ideas, new opportunities, new markets. Applied innovation introduces us to new ways of thinking. Applied innovation develops our capacity to lead with contextual intelligence. Why do we need to think about this? Because leading in the 21st century is dynamic, demanding, and ever-changing. We must lead strategically. We must become contextually intelligent leaders. What is a contextually intelligent leader? Contextually intelligent leaders diagnose the multidimensional complexity of contextual factors inherent in such a situation as global supply chain logistics ecosystems. They intentionally and intuitively adjust their behavior to make decisions in context. They can handle all the external, internal, interpersonal, and intrapersonal factors that contribute to the uniqueness of each situation and circumstance. They transform data into information, convert information into knowledge, and assimilate knowledge into practice. They extract wisdom, not just understanding or knowledge or awareness, from experience, and they continuously build their capacity to lead. To become a contextually intelligent leader, we must be able to identify and manage individual and institutional bias, use divergence to create choices and disruptive ideas through aggressive outward exploration, build empathy, even compassion and understanding while exploring new perspectives, use strategic scenario planning to craft an innovation skills portfolio, use coherence and convergence to make choices, design and develop iterative, low fidelity experiments, learn from real world team dynamics and collaboration, focus organizational purpose and grassroots buy in. To imagine, innovate, and build your applied innovation capabilities, we invite you to join your peers at the Strategic Leadership Program in Applied Innovation.